Hi Capricorn, I'm Anisha. You can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on career and finance. Capricornians, the trend pretty much is carrying on for you from last month, and the focus is on cooperation. It is very important for a lot of you to be working in a team as of now. The focus is not on you know you solely you, and I think I spoke at length about it in my monthly April video as well, that while you may be having the brightest of the ideas, you may feel that you can sort of run with it, and you can maybe create magic with it, but the need of the hour is to be working in a team. It's very critical at your workplace also that you do not rub authority figures the wrong way. Watch how you speak, watch your speech, control your temper, especially mid-month. It could be some past issue with this business partner that comes up again. It could have started sometime end of Jan, and you would have sort of just left it on the side, thinking it will just tide over. But mid-month again, you'll find this issue popping up again. So be careful of how you address it, and try not to be sharp, because it will be very difficult for you to retract your words. There are also some great opportunities for you this month, Capricornians, to supplement your income. It's a great time for you to be maybe looking at newer projects. There is some amount of an international travel that is there, and some of you could be making decent amount of money out of it as well. So just hang in there, and I would say it's more of a roll your sleeves and get to work kind of a month, and try, even the Capricorns, I mean, you really, it takes quite a bit to really get you emotional, but this month try to be very matter of fact, even when you're dealing with close partners at workplace. So have a good April. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.